Wait, yeah. Say, yeah. Yeah, one by one, all cameras. Start from there. Thank you. हो गया sir? Thank you sir. Wait. Wait sir. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you sir. On कर तू light. Wait ma'am. Ma'am here. सर के साथ. अरे खुद आधा आगे. हाँ लेने तो उनको बात. ओ क्या बात है. मोबाइल पीछे ले भाई. मोबाइल.
सर फेस पे लाइट
हट.
पीछो पीछो साइड साइड एवरीवन साइड प्लीज पहले विजुअल लेंगे बाद में बात रेडी कर लो रेडी डन ओके चैनल हाँ वीडियो कम
या सर.
अपना आदेश बाबा में लगे ऑल द बेस्ट
भाई मोबाइल किनका है वो बोलो पीछे आने इनका. पूरा घोसरा फ्रेम में.
रुआ ऑल द बेस्ट रुआ
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming in and blessing us.
प्लेजर
चलो थैंक यू बाइट ले
उस भाई का पहला वाटी लेने
बाइट ले लो
वाटी
एक सर बोथ ऑफ यू मैम. होल्ड. Look at that.
चलो बाइट
Congratulations today on the launch of Rua, which is just inaugurated by Jackie Shaw. What do you have to say?
First of all, thank you so much for everything. And it's a pleasure Jackie Dada came and inaugurated this place. And Rua has always been a dream. Being from aviation industry, roaming around the world, I have seen how hospitality and grooming yourself is so important. So I'm very happy Rua is here.
What is the vision? कैसे idea है?
So the idea was long back, but the execution was from last 6 months. I was thinking, I was planning how I will do it, what I wanted. I want this place to be amazing, beautiful, and I want to give an experience.
So what is the USP of Rua?
So Rua means vision, dream, and the USP is experience. I'm 100% sure that whoever comes here will get a beautiful experience, not just the service, but my team, my staff, and all the experiences that you will just see once it's open.
Okay, ma'am. It was a very special thing that Jackie sir had come here. He is known as a style icon. What would you like to say?
I think Jackie Dada is a favorite of all age category. Everybody just loves him, and he coming here is amazing. And I'm sure that people would just come and feel happy about it.
Yeah, Vishal also joining in. Vishal, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
What do you have to say about it?
So what we have tried to curate here is a one-stop shop for all kind of beauty services. What we have done is we have added some X factors into our salon. For example, this waiting area is more of a small cafe that we have turned into. Even if you're waiting, the wait should be interesting. So we have some tie up with the restaurant if you're hungry while sitting. So you guys can snack in a bit, have few beverages. So we have done small lot of things to what Unnati just mentioned, to create an experience for you. It is just not another salon where you come, get your service and walk off. So we want you to feel that you are going to a very premium place, feel the experience, relax yourself, and go unwinding yourself. So that's the whole idea.
That's it. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you
for
so
coming.
much.
Thank you very much.
पूनम जी सुनो सुनो पूनम यहाँ पे पूनम जी आप भी आएगा साथ में
दो दो पूनम
पीपी है
ज्यादा मत करो भाई
सो मैम प्लीज कम नाउ या फुल ग्रुप फोटो हो गया आप पूनम बस बस यही चाहिए मैडम वो यार सर एवरीवन हियर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर दिस कॉर्नर आयशा जी राइट सेंटर एंड लेफ्ट या थैंक यू
Yes, so conscious, never feeding sleep.
विजेता जी
Yes, ma'am, oh yeah, ma'am. All of you start from here, madam. This corner, this corner.
क्या बोला आदेश का जगह थैंक यू
Ma'am, sir, एक आपको और So one picture together. Winner, hot, madam. मैडम एक स्टेप पीछे 10 मिनट वो एकदम एग्जैक्ट टाइम पे मैम बस अंदर सेंटर में
सर आइए ना
आइए स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर सर मैडम यहाँ पर यस मैम हो गया मैडम पीछे ही रहिए यहाँ पे मैम हियर इन दिस कैमरा मैम हो गया मैम मैडम थैंक यू
हेलो
Yes, ma'am, we are look in this camera.
मेरे जू में वो है ना सलून का
Look center, yeah. शिवानी जी, यहाँ पे मैम हो गया।
जैकी आके गया वो पूनम पांडे आके गया
एक सुनो सुनो। शिवानी जी यहाँ पे ये संचित के कैमरा थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू
साथ में आ जाइए साढ़े
मैडम वो ये मैडम शिवानी जी यहाँ पे ये कॉर्नर पे थैंक यू मैम दिस इज व्हाट Wait. Yes, wait. Ma'am, वो ये अंकिता जी सामने भी हाँ थैंक यू अंकिता जी सोलो अंकिता जी मैं कैमरा now in his camera मैम यहाँ श्वेता हो या श्वेता जी मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं कैमरा हो या दिस कॉर्नर श्वेता जी यहाँ पे थैंक यू डन श्वेता जी सेंटर भी या थैंक यू क्या लिया ना 5 जन का साथ आइए चलो लेने इधर लेना पता है उधर छपरा दीपिका जी आइए दीप्शी मैं थोड़ा सा एक स्टेप अंदर नाइस करेक्ट पोजीशन जी आप मैम सोलो दीपिका मैम यहाँ पे दीपिका जी यहाँ से स्टार्ट करें होल्ड ऑन वन मोर
अब मेरे तरफ
दीपिका जी हाँ थैंक यू
Thank you.
मैम स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर मैम दिस कैमरा वे
से जाने
या
नहीं मिलेगी
वेट
मैम वो ये मैम दिस कैमरा क्या
अब मेरे तरफ यहाँ पे
वेट
वीडियो में उन्नति जी साथ में मैम स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर दिस कॉर्नर मैम हियर
डन यहाँ देखिए रील बन रहा
थैंक यू
ओह बस ये मिस किया
अरे मिस कर दिया
वेट
वापस से एक बार
फ्रंट एंड बैक
हो गया भाई
थैंक यू
थैंक यू मैम सर आइए
यस
हाँ एक साथ थोड़ा सा एवरीवन यूज दिस कॉर्नर
थैंक यू
स्टार्ट फ्रॉम योर सर यहाँ थोड़ा नजदीक
या
सर लुक इन माय कैमरा हियर दिस कॉर्नर नाइस पोज
हाँ थैंक यू
देखिए वहाँ ध्यान नहीं दे रहे वहाँ काम पे उधर बाहर देख रहे ठीक है भाई का नजर किधर और बढ़ेगा
अरे मालिक सही है वेट हाँ सर साथ में
सर both of you are in my camera
थैंक यू हाँ साथ में आइए
मैम
सेंटर
start from
Yeah.
this corner yeah, one more yes sir start from here
लुक सेंटर दिस कैमरा Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, one solo. One solo. Sir, yeah. यहाँ से start. Wait. Done? Thank you, sir. आइए बोला अदर्स फाइट कर लेते हैं.
सर यहाँ आप आए हैं युवा के मंच पे किस तरह का आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा और इनके साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग कैसी वो शेयर करना चाहेंगे.
पहली बात तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू बोथ ऑफ यू. इन्होंने एक सपना देखा था और वो सपना इन्होंने साकार किया. और ऐसे क्योंकि सैलून इतने करीब है नहीं और मेरे घर के बहुत करीब है ये, तो मेरे लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद हो जाएगा आगे चल के. तो जस्ट अ वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस फॉर माई हाउस एंड आई गिव अ बेस्ट विशेज़ टू बोथ ऑफ देम. एंड एक सपना होता है यंगस्टर्स के लिए इतना बढ़िया सैलून का, तो उन्होंने यहाँ साकार किया. एंड माई बेस्ट विशेज़ फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम फॉर देयर फ्यूचर लाइफ ऑल्सो, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी टाइम से ब्यूटी में रही हैं जैसा पता चला है. पुरानी मित्र है हमारी, तो एयर हॉस्टेस रही हैं, आप पायलट रहे हैं. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसे और भी वेंचर्स ये खोलें ऑल अक्रॉस द इंडिया. मैं तो ये कहूँगा मुंबई छोड़ के अक्रॉस इंडिया करें ये. तो मेरी बेस्ट विशेज़ हैं इनके लिए. यस, थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
जैसे कि सर ने बताया सर इस सैलून को लेकर काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है. अगर सर को आपको बतानी हो कि इस सैलून की कोई यूनिक बात और यूएसपी तो वो क्या होगी.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो जैसे सर ने बताया, सर के घर के पास है. मतलब अभी सर का टेंशन गया कि कहाँ जाए, ट्रैफिक में घूमना नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट सर केम. इट्स माई प्लेजर दैट सर इज़ हियर. And as I told you, our vision, our dream, our USP is to give an experience, and that's what we will deliver. Thank you so much.
सर साथ में आइए यार. सर all done? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, ma'am. Hi, hello. Thank you, ma'am. It's my birthday today. Meeting you today is thank you, guys. And, first and foremost, congratulations to Urvashi, right? Unnati, sorry, Urvashi. Anyways, Urvashi, Unnati, it starts from you. And congratulations on the opening of this lovely and beautiful looking spa. I think it's looking wonderful, and what better than treating myself from your spa today on my birthday. आज मेरा birthday है. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's my 53rd birthday. Yeah, it's my 53rd birthday. So thank you, guys, and thank you, Parul, for inviting me, and wishing you all the very best, and hope it scales more and more greater heights. Thank you. Thank you.
Have you over here?
Thank you so much.
It's a birthday still you give. It's coming.
Well, I don't celebrate birthday. I said, what better than
Sir, here. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
clear.
One step. Yeah. Start from here, ma'am. Ma'am, here. ये कमल भाई. Look here. Madam here. Thank you. सर यहाँ पे. सर ये कॉर्नर पे सर यहाँ पे. सर आप भी आइए. सर आ जाइए. सर यहाँ पे देखिए सर मैम. यहाँ भी. या. आइए. सर सामने देखिए.
सर सेंटर सर.
Thank you. वेट था थोड़ा पीछे
आएंगे आएंगे। अरे एक पहले पोज कर दीजिए।
हम लोग था पीछे हो ना, एक पोज कर दीजिए, कट करते हो या
मैम आप भी हो सर। सामने देखिए सब लोग एक। या गो अहेड नाउ। Congratulations. थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू। चलो टर्न हो जाइए। अरे मैम हियर
उन्नति जी यहाँ पे, मैडम यहाँ सर।
भाई हट जा सामने से। संचित
यहाँ से स्टार्ट कीजिए।
हाँ वेट
ये रोल करो, रोल गाइस।
Firstly, a big congratulations that they have started this, and this is the first time can you hear me? Yeah, this is the first time ऐसा हुआ है that I have not come dressed up for an event. I'm going dressed up from the event because I got a quick hair makeover. So it's really cool, and it actually took just 15 minutes. So now I know where to go when I'm going for my next event. But a big congratulations, it's very exciting. And the best part about this salon for me was the fact that the location is so nicely picked, because it's a quaint jagah pe, it's not too noisy. You can take your time, park your car. So yeah, kudos. Thank you.
What's your name? I'm Vishal. This is your place. Unnati's husband, so yes. I can claim some part. Of course, sure. Congratulations. Thank you very much. I won't be here much because I don't live here. I live in UAE. It's not bad. It's not bad, but I would say I've been finding like 18 years now. So some kind of stagnancy, good stagnancy. What I mean to say, what I've started, the mindset changes that you can sell your skill only till a certain point and a certain limit. Now if you have to move ahead in life, that is it. So last 1 year I opened up 5 companies. So totally investing. A lot of changes. It makes you live on the earth. Absolutely. A lot of changes.
People started pampering themselves. How lucky we are.
हाँ भाई.
I love this place. The ambience of Rua is just, it's like a place where, you know, it's like a second home. It's got a very warm ambience, very inviting and welcoming and very cozy. And what I loved was at the pedicure or manicure station, you have your own personal screen so you can watch your, you know, series or music or whatever. And I got this very instant makeover. These curls, I had come with straight hair. So I'm like, I'm loving this makeover. Thank you so much, Team Rua. I love it. And I will be a regular here for sure.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you.
Please meet Shweta.
Hi. Thank you so much for coming.
Avitesh.
And we have Avitesh also here.
I'm leading the video here.
Just look around and have you find the place, what do you have to say about it?
No, I think the moment I entered, I really loved the vibe. And I want to congratulate the team because this place looks absolutely welcoming and I think all the services are going to be phenomenal. So I'm looking forward to coming back and getting something done.
Beauty without music is incomplete. Yes. So that's all of the live today for the audience, for Nidhi.
Want me to sing something? Oh, कौन सा गाना इस यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्या सूट होगा मुबारकी तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए Congratulations.
मैं डेफिनेटली बोलना चाहूँगी कि दिस इज सच अ वंडरफुल प्लेस ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन एंड द एटमॉस्फेयर एवरीथिंग इज सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड स्पेशली द स्पा व्हिच आई हैव सीन definitely I'll be coming here because I'm into fitness, so I love to take massages, I love to pamper myself, and there are so many things are here. There are nail spa, massages, body wraps, everything. So definitely I'll be here and looking forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
This idea of you coming back home today with Rua, how does the place look and what do you have to say?
Well, it's very, to be honest, positive and much more vibrant, and definitely I believe in the vision of Unnati and Vishal. They've done a beautiful job with this, and wishing them all the luck, and you know, we're always here, and I'm definitely going to get a haircut soon, so definitely I'm going to call Vishal. And
We were forcing him not to have a haircut for 3 months.
Yeah.
I said, you know, your next cut is here.
So the new look is going to be right here.
Yes.
Absolutely.
We're looking forward for it sometime. Can you do a picture please together?
From here. Everyone center. भाई एक मिनट. Left, right. Done. Done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Avitesh bhai, which is the one? Sarika. Ruko, ruko. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Of course, yeah, you too.
Parul ji, यहाँ पे अवितेश भाई यहाँ पे राइट साइड
beginning of Rua also, what do you have to say there?
Thank you. I think that's a combination of two events put together. So congratulations to Rua for this wonderful ambience. I think बहुत ही शानदार ambience है और एक होता है कि सलून जाने के मतलब सलून जैसे आप पहुंचते हो वहाँ का ambience बहुत matter करता है and the warm and compassionate staff and the organizers, please come. And the host and the owners, congratulations for putting up the salon, and I wish you all loads and loads of success. And well, मैं तो कभी अपने आप को पैम्पर नहीं किया, पर चूंकि आज मेरा बर्थडे है तो इससे और सोने पे सुहागा वाला मोमेंट क्या हो सकता है, मैं जाकर अंदर अपने आप को पैम्पर करने की कोशिश करूंगा. So thank you guys for inviting me and having me. All the very best.
Thank you very much and happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Everyone look here, yeah. Smile everyone please. Video भी, yeah, man. Everyone here, one more here. Done. Thank you. Thank
Hi guys.
Ready, roll. Yeah, roll it.
So मेरे ब्यूटीफुल हेयर करने के लिए रुआ एंड उन्नति कंग्रेचुलेशंस. बहुत अच्छे मेरे हेयर किए, कलर हेयर पे कर्ल्स एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, man. Thank you. उन्नति जी एक साथ में उन्नति जी वही है मैम. हाँ प्लीज रोहित भाई. I'm going to give my number and Rehan bhai Rohit sir 1 together. Rehan bye.
सर्कल बोला
White black white black.
कौशल भाई
हाँ भाई. Sir please join सब हो सब कुछ कम तो यहाँ पे रेहान भाई दादा अपने थैंक यू रोहित रोहित दिस कॉर्नर रोहित ये सेंटर. Thank you. Start from here, ma'am. Ma'am, यहाँ पे. अब सामने. Thank you. Thank you. Done. एक सोलो यार. मैडम यहाँ पर. Thank you. भाई मोबाइल पीछे ना फ्रेम पे आ जाए. सर एक साथ में पहले एक साथ में पहले आ जाए सिर्फ सोलो. सर यहाँ से स्टार्ट कीजिए प्लीज दिस कॉर्नर. सर सेंटर. साथ में आ जाइए सर, साथ में।
So we're at this corner.
यहाँ पे सर
थोड़ा सा और इधर,
थोड़ा सा और shift हो जाइए ना।
थोड़ा शिफ्ट हो जाए सर,
थोड़ा सा, हाँ।
या
Yeah. Everyone start from here, this corner. One more here, sir. Everyone here.
all of you center. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, one picture.
One picture.
Ma'am.
अरे फिर वही हो गया।
एक अंकल के साथ, एक only my uncle.
Over here, ma'am, over here.
Thank you. Yeah, done here.
Over here, so this corner. Sir, यहाँ पे ये कैमरा.
I will be the white in the back.
हो गया? Done? Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye, Bacha.
How was the experience at Rua today? Launch has been a wonderful, wonderful affair. What do you have to say?
First of all, I was given to understand by Amriti that Rua means dream. And this is a place which I actually feel where your dream of transforming yourself into a more confident, a better looking person will come true. What's special about the place, which must be mentioned, is that they have given Unnati and Vishal, both of them, very specific attention to details. Like for example, I just did I took a shower, hair shower, hair spa, yeah, and the multi-nozzle shower.
The Korean hair spa.
The Korean hair spa, yeah. It's something that I haven't seen in the best of the service. So, the recliner sofa which they use during the spa treatment is also one of those multiple things. Small little details, like they say, luxury is in the detail. So I wish them all the best. This is a beautiful initiative. They come from a hospitality background, so it's reflected in the way they've gone about this venture. All the best, Unnati. All the best, Rua. God bless. Wish them a great journey. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Leena Mogre, and I'm from fitness, and beauty and fitness go hand in hand. So congratulations to Unnati of Rua Salon, and I'm really, really happy to be here, and I'm just waiting to go and see what a beautiful place. It looks very warm and welcoming. So all the best, Unnati, all the best, team Rua. Bye.
Thank you, Leena. Bye. Ankur, you're at Rua's launch today. What do you have to say? How did you like the place?
I love the place. I basically knew it's going to be a wonderful place. I know Vishal, I know Unnati, these people have wonderful taste. So, needless to say, the place had to be, the interior has to be there, had to be par excellence. So, that's how the place is all about. And the vibe is phenomenal. It's amazing. इधर अंदर जो मसाज का भी है, जो steam का भी है, the facial and everything which is kind of there. So all the therapies are there. Person comes here, get a haircut done, and then probably wherever you have to go. You know, it's like a complete package, right? That's what it's supposed to be.
Yes.
You know, आप आओ, haircut कराओ, and then get your massage done, get your facials done, and probably you're off to your work. So I would say it's a nice place. It's a lovely endeavor, and we need a place like this. जहाँ एक ही बार आके everything is done, and so it's caters to our needs. Thank you.
आ रहा है
Done.
Bite. Bite ना bite.
Thank you.
So you can see I just had a shampoo and Rua ko bahut sari dua. All the best. Thank you. It was a lovely experience. The beauticians were very good and they took a lot of care of me. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best, Rua.
Thank you so much. First of all, I have to say thank you to the salon for Dua, and I have to give best wishes to both the couple.
Unnati and Vishal.
Sorry?
Unnati and Vishal.
उन्नति एंड विशाल एक नई जर्नी आपने शुरू की है। एक फर्स्ट सेटअप करने के लिए कितनी तैयारी मेंटली करनी पड़ती है हम जानते हैं इस बात को, और एक छोटा बेबी के लिए जो प्रिपरेशन होती है ऑलमोस्ट ऐसा ही प्रिपरेशन होता है। आई एम विशिंग देम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, और अगली बार मैं आना चाहूँगी बैंड्रा, फिर जुहू के बाद फिर अंधेरी, तो हमारे सारे मुंबई में रुआ की रोशनी घूमती रहे और हम हर बार इनके इनोवेशंस में आते रहे। हर हर महादेव।
Thank you.
कहाँ जाएगा मैम भी किसी को खोलेगा
ये सो ही मैम दिस वन सारा जी यहाँ पे सारा जी सेंटर
सारा यहाँ
मैम यहाँ
मैम विल डू वन
और क्या तो करो उसको
मैम वही है मैम वही सारा जी यहाँ पे उन्हें भी लेती इसलिए तो
Done, guys.
सर एक साथ में सर मैडम सर यहाँ से स्टार्ट कीजिए मैम सर
How's your experience been at Rua today?
You know, I thought I'll just come, be sure, and just go. but they are women, no, हमको pampering कैसे मौका छोड़ सकती हूँ? So I did my nails, I did my hair, and yes, today a lot of people are there, but still they were so sweet, pampering everybody, and congratulations Unnati and your husband and entire team. Come on.
Thank you
And,
so much for coming.
My pleasure, my pleasure. And thank you for pampering me so much. Thank you.
Well deserved. Like you anyways look so beautiful.
But before and after करना चाहिए. You know, I love the place. I love the vibe. Everything. The location is apt.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Bye bye.
Found you always looking gorgeous and looking more bright and beautiful today at Rua's launch. What do you have to say?
So, I just want to tell about the salon. It's about vibe. I think beauty is all about vibes. Once you get the right vibes, you anyway start feeling good about yourself. और खूबसूरती जो है वो हमेशा से ही औरत का गहना रही है. जो भी खूबसूरती में इजाफा करते हैं वो लोग मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And one of your staff, Prashant, did a wonderful job on my hair. I'm very happy about it. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you
Good
so
luck.
much, and we hope you come again soon.
I also
and we'll pamper you again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good luck.
This one is my mother.
Oh, yeah, this camera.
मैम लोग क्या थैंक यू मैम
Sarah, looking gorgeous as always. Here for Rua's launch. What do you have to say?
See, right now beauty business is first of all very competitive. और अभी क्या है ना, अभी ये luxury नहीं है, अभी ये need हो गया है. So it is very important to everybody understand कि beauty has now become a need, not just a luxury. And I'm happy that everybody is looking after themselves because ये खाली अभी vanity नहीं है, ये actually एक होता है for especially women. It is more of self confidence. You look good, you feel good, and especially you can ask any woman here. Okay, when their hair is done, na, they'll feel more confident. You can ask my mother that also. So today she's telling me, how will I come to an event? मेरा बाल नहीं ठीक है, but आप बाल बनाने के लिए आ रहे हो. So I said, just come, do your hair here, and then she'll flaunt like this, and then we'll walk.
Honestly, can't do without my hair. As gorgeous as the daughter you are, what do you have to say? The beauty bond with Sarah and of course, beauty regime overall.
I think I'm totally blessed and gratitude for all this.
So you know what? I think one important thing that we've always followed in the family in terms of beauty, कि आप जितना आप बाहर से अपने आप को ठीक करो ना, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है जब आप दिल से खुश नहीं हो. तो आप जितना भी करो, आपका मन थोड़ा साफ नहीं होगा और आप दिल से खुश नहीं होगे, वो बाहर दिखता है. इसीलिए तो you know my husband, he reads faces. You know how he reads faces? Through eyes. He comes to know कि आँखों से कि how the person is. आँखें सब बोलती है.
Very well said. Sarah, thank you so much and thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Wait. Stand up. Done. Thank you.
Yes, look here. One more. Thank you. Let's look here. Thank you.
इधर लीजिए यहाँ पे थैंक यू आशीर्वाद लेके जाइए
विशाल जी और उन्नति जी को बहुत सारी मेरी ओर से शुभकामनाएं हैं और साथ ही साथ चूँकि मुंबई है और ऐश्वर्य और सौंदर्य दो चीज़ों के लिए जानी जाती है, ऐसे में डेफिनेटली इस तरह का बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल एम्बियंस के साथ और अच्छी सुविधाओं के साथ आपने रुआ शुरू किया है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि रुआ से जुड़ के जितने भी लोग हैं, आपके जितने भी क्लाइंट्स होंगे, सभी बहुत सेटिस्फाई होंगे और ये विस्तार करेगा।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। गीताली जी, गुड टू सी यू। क्या कहना चाहेंगे? रुआ सैलून के इनॉग्रेशन पे आप आए हैं, कैसे लगा एक्सपीरियंस? क्या कहना?
या मैंने तो पूरा स्पेस देखा। आई थिंक इट्स रियली हैज़ सम रियली नाइस एंड गुड वाइब्स एंड इंटीरियर्स तो डेफिनेटली इट्स वेरी वेलकमिंग। सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड ऑनेस्टली अगर बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोलूँ तो आई थिंक एरिया भी बहुत ही अच्छा सिलेक्ट किया है इन्होंने। सो आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई होप कि they've started here and they keep expanding and come up with a lot more branches of the brand.
Thank you so much.
बोलो आसिफ भाई यहाँ पे मैम कैन जस्ट टर्न दिस वन यहाँ हेलो
So sir, सबसे पहले क्या कहना चाहेंगे? रुआ सैलून के इनॉग्रेशन पे आप आए आप?
It's like very positive vibe. अच्छा लगा आके and all the best for a dream to come true. And just looking forward to good business and centrally located है, अच्छा है जू में, happening crowd and we all are there to promote her and wish her all the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Prachi ma'am, just do a picture. Wait. Hold on. Prachi ma'am, center, yeah.
ये एक मिनट ठीक है।
या हाँ ठीक in this camera. So thank you.
Yeah, everyone here in my camera.
I'm here. So here.
थैंक यू
थैंक यू बाय
इनॉग्रेशन पे आए कैसा लगा पूरा एक्सपीरियंस?
Oh, it's beautifully done up. I'm wishing Unnati and Vishal all the very best for their venture, and it looks wow. It's done up really well, and they have all the premium services and products under a roof. They just gave me a tour. They're actually like family, and so I'm really, really happy for them, and wishing them all the success and all the very best for this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wait. Thank you.
Yes, Lucas, smile.
All of you look here.
One more. 1 second.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You really rock, guys.
One more. Wait. Yes, all of you look here.
Come, Dila.
Wait up, wait. All of you look here. All of you here. One more second.
And look this camera.
Yes, look here, smile.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, look here. Thank you.
मेरा अनेक हमको कैसे भूल गए?
Jackie. Jackie, sir, we just want pictures together. खुशी जी बैठ जा हाँ जैकी भाई यहाँ all of you here center.
Jackie sir, good to see you. What would you like to say on the Ramakrishna Rua salon? कैसा लगा experience?
I think it's amazing. बहुत अच्छा है. I saw Vishal. I was telling him that they've really thought it all the way. They have screens, and it's an amazing place. I would recommend everyone to come here.
So personally, बात grooming की है ना, personal grooming कैसे करते हो? Salons तो देखिए का एक आपकी रहता है आपके मन में कि कैसे होना चाहिए.
यार हम थोड़ा spoiled है. घर पे आ जाते हैं लोग. But if I have to get out, then I would love to come to something like this.
Lastly, any best wishes from your side?
I wish the team all the best. And yeah, I think they've just started. It's a long, long way to go. I'm sure they'll kill it. Thanks.
कभी हमको इनवाइट कर वो आपने प्रपोजल भेजी नहीं वो दे हैव टू कम बैक सो व्हाट यू सेड वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिक्वायरमेंट्स मैम यू सेड कि आई सिट विद सो वी आई टेल टास्क टू गेट इन टच विद यू इफ यू फ्री वी कैन कैच अप ऑन हियर फॉर 2 मोर डेज सो विल कैच अप टुमारो फर्स्ट लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड आप संडे को मैं 15 जो संडे हम